Today, we will introduce some essential Japanese apology phrases. Apologizing helps to resolve misunderstandings and maintain smooth communication. These expressions are useful in everyday life and while traveling. Sumimasen is a highly versatile phrase in Japanese. It can mean both "excuse me" and "I'm sorry," and is often used to express gratitude, apologize, or call for someone's attention. When asking for directions, sumimasen echi wa doko desu ka? When accidentally bumping into someone, sumimasen daijobu desu ka? When calling a waiter to place an order, sumimasen shimono o negai shimasu. Gomen nasai is a more casual way to apologize. It is typically used with close friends or family members. When running late for an appointment, gomen nasai mani wa nakata. When breaking a family member's valuable item, honto ni gomen nasai. When canceling plans with a friend, gomen doshite mo ike naku nata. Moshiwake arimasen is a formal and respectful apology often used in business or formal settings. It expresses deep regret and is appropriate for serious situations. When apologizing to a customer for a mistake, moshiwake arimasen no matase shimashita. When correcting a mistake at work, moshiwake arimasen sugu ni shusei itashimasu. When apologizing over the phone, moshiwake arimasen no wabi moshiagemasu. Osorayurimasu is a polite expression used to show respect and appreciation, often in business conversations or formal communication. When keeping someone on hold during a phone call, osorayurimasu tadaima, otsunaji shimasu. When asking for help in a store, osorayurimasu, kono shohin wa doko ni arimasu ka? When responding to customer inquiries, osorayurimasu kakuni ni tashimasu no de sukuna o machi kudasai. O wabi shimasu is a formal way to express sincere regret, often used in official or business settings. It conveys a strong sense of remorse. When apologizing for a serious mistake to a customer, kono tabi no go mewaku ni tsuite, kokoro yori, o wabi itashimasu. When apologizing to a business partner for an issue, hesha no futejiwa ni yori, go mewaku o okake shimashita koto o wabi moshiagemasu. When issuing a public apology, kono ken ni tsuchimashite fukaku o wabi moshiagemasu. Apologies are an essential part of communication in Japan. They help to resolve misunderstandings and build trust. By learning the right phrases, you can respond sincerely in any situation. In the next lesson, we will introduce even more useful expressions.